So this videos, it's for modify. I can choose a plane, edit sketch, and for example line, I can draw a line like that and a line like that, and then select. For example, I can select the two lines and I have properties here, for example equal like that. If I draw another line like that, select, I can make vertical, so like that. I can make, for example, another line. I can make it avec this line parallel. So as we can see, there is different modification like AutoCAD. So I have a trim, so I have different ways to trim: power trim, corner, for example. I choose power trim, so I have many ways to do trim. A trim away outside, a trim away inside, for example. It's not work. Outside. So we have to choose scale type of trim. I have at the same time, if I draw a rectangle here, I can do mirror. I have a new window here. I can choose entities, these entities, or all the rectangle. I have 3 line, 4 line, and mirror about this, for example. So for OK, I click here. So I have 2 rectangles. I can, for example, I have move entities. So entities to move this, for example, and X and Y, for example, I want 2 millimeters, so it's moved. I can put 5, so here we are. Wait, so as we can see, I have offset entities in the same thing, parameter millimeters, for example. So offset like AutoCAD. Pattern, I can do pattern in many ways. So I can, for example, select this entity. So I have a linear sketch pattern, so I can copy the object many times. I have covered entities. I can copy the item in the plane, for example, the top plane or right plane. I can select the item and then select the plane I want to copy it. It's the same order of AutoCAD. So that for this videos, the next videos we will draw an assembly avec the next lesson we will draw assembly with 2 structure elements.